What does OpenAI's CEO warn about the real impact of? OpenAI's CEO has repeatedly stressed that AI will disrupt the job market far beyond what most people expect. Unlike previous technologies that created new roles while replacing old ones, today's AI systems can perform complex tasks faster and cheaper. This means millions of jobs in sectors like customer service, transportation, and even creative work could be at risk. The shift won't be gradual but rapid, forcing workers to adapt quickly or face unemployment. While AI will generate new jobs, OpenAI's CEO warns these roles may require specialized skills that displaced workers do not have. The pace of change might outstrip retraining programs, leaving many behind. Unlike past industrial revolutions, this wave could widen economic inequality as the benefits concentrate among those who control AI technology or have advanced expertise. The CEO emphasizes that governments, companies, and individuals must start preparing now. This includes investing in education, social safety nets, and rethinking economic policies like universal basic income. Without proactive measures, the speed and scale of AI-driven job displacement could trigger serious social and economic instability. Despite the risks, OpenAI's CEO also highlights that AI can augment human capabilities, making work more efficient and creative. The key lies in how businesses integrate AI tools with human skills. Successful adaptation means shifting from fearing AI to learning how to work alongside it effectively. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.